Hi, it's Miss Kara, a librarian in the Children's Department at the Sachem Public Library, and I'm back with a new craft for you to try, yard art using water bottles. It's a great way to upcycle your water bottles, and I have my daughter here to help to demonstrate how to do this super easy and fun activity. The best part is you need very few supplies, and you probably have all you need right at home. For this craft, you will need 4 empty water bottles with the caps removed, permanent markers in several colors, a pair of scissors, a stick, and a piece of string or ribbon. The first step is to color your water bottles with permanent markers. We will get started with you and begin to color one of the water bottles with you. The more colors you use, the more colorful your yard art will be. So try to use as many colors as you have. You can color around in circles. You can make designs. You're going to start at the top of the water bottle and color all the way down. Okay, we got you started. We'll show you what a finished water bottle looks like. Once you've colored it, your finished water bottle will look like this. Once you have all 4 water bottles colored, you're ready for the next part. You're going to cut the bottles. With a grown-up's help, you're going to cut the water bottle in a circular motion, starting at the bottom. You're going to cut, leaving approximately 1 inch in between your spirals that you're going to get. Watch how we do it. Following the lines that are already in the water bottle, kind of leaving like 1 inch in between. You're going to cut almost to the top, but not all the way to the top. It should look like this. Okay. Once you have all 4 of your water bottles cut like that, you're ready for the next part. We're going to thread them onto a stick. We just found an old stick in our backyard. You could use a stick or a dowel, and you're going to thread where the cap would have been, so the top of the water bottle onto the stick. You might have to cut off a couple of branches or little things that are sticking up so you're able to thread them through. You can break it. Or you could even break it to make it smaller so we can get rid of that part. There you go. Now you're going to thread your water bottles through. All onto there. Okay, and then the next part is you can add a ribbon so you're able to hang this. If you like when this is all done, we have made this previously where we've added a little bit of hot glue at the very tops where those caps would have sat so that the water bottles stay stationary and don't move back and forth forth on the stick if you want. That's something that you might like to do. We're not going to do it today, but if that's something you'd like to do, you can give it a try. So we got one end, and then we're tying our ribbon to the other end. Just like that. Okay, there's our art, and now we're ready to hang it in our yard for all to see.